There we go, so she's all set up, ready to go. G'day everyone, welcome to Chase the Weekend. Well, I've got my Compact Campfire out today. I'm going to do a bit of a rotisserie for late afternoon lunch. So I haven't done a rotisserie before, so this is going to be interesting to see how it goes. I've just picked up the rotisserie kit and the coal riser plate from Sandy and Dylan at Compact Campfires up at Gympie there. I'll put the link in the description as well if you'd like to check them out for yourself. So if you've got one of these CC450, I've got the coal riser plate in the bottom there with the keyways and the rotisserie kit. The beauty about this is that it's got adjustments on there so that you can raise it up and down as you please. And then I picked up a 4 to 8 burner rotisserie from Bunnings. It's got 2 D-cell batteries in there and they'll last forever. So great little piece of kit, folds down into a little stainless steel box with a carry it around. Really easy to set up, really easy to use. It's compact, hence the name. All portable, ready to go. So next step will be I'm going to set this up over there, get the fire going, get a coal bed happening, and then we're going to put some chicken on and see how it goes. Righto, so I've got the coal bed going now, so I'm going to just get the chicken ready. So I'm using chicken thigh today. The beauty of chicken thigh is, you know, other than being really tasty, if you cook it for a long period, it doesn't dry out like chicken breast. So I'm going to get the chicken out, I'm going to season it up. So the season I'm going to use today, I just picked up a little smoking rub. It's called rib rub, but it's got a chook on it, so I'm going to use that. I've had that before and that's really tasty. And then I've got some homemade Cajun rub from my mother-in-law. Shout out Liz. This is awesome stuff, so I'm going to chuck some of that on there. That's a little bit spicy, so I'll probably just do one end. So one end can be a little bit spicy, the other end can be a bit more mild. So we'll get the chicken ready. I've got a gauze bag, so I'm going to jam all the chicken in there, tie him up, jam it on the stick, and put it over there. And a couple hours later, we're going to have some chook for lunch. Just a bit of a disclaimer, I haven't done this before, so this is my first time with a rotisserie, so I'm going to just give it a go and see what happens essentially. Alright, now I just got to get my hands messy and just mix this all around so it's all coated. So basically what I want to do is try and get flavouring in all of the nooks and crannies. Just make sure that it's all coated. Just wash my hands, now I can touch everything again. Alright, so I'm going to give that another mix and then I'm going to jam it into the gauze bag, put it on the rotisserie and then onto our fire. Righto, the chook is on. It was a bit of a mission getting into the bag, but it's on, it looks great, it smells awesome. Now, just got to wait for it to cook and then we're ready to eat. Sounds like there's a steam train off in the distance. It's coming along. Righto, we're getting towards the end. just dropped it down onto a lower height setting just to finish it off. It's looking good, smelling even better. Alright, the chook is cooked. Well, we're going to cut it open and have a look anyway. So the old Compact Campfire has done a brilliant job. Time to get it off and cut it up. Don't worry about the black bits, that's just extra flavour. Now, I haven't really thought about this bit. Oh, hot. There we go. Now I did wash my hands before I started, so let's cut. Alright, so the downside of having the gauze is that it's sort of got a bit stuck. Look at that. Oh, that is amazing. It's cooked all the way through. I don't know if you can get that on the camera there. Oh, look at that, absolutely amazing. Now if you're just tuning in, it's falling apart because it is all chicken thigh. Look at that. It's good. Beautiful. All cooked, all in the middle. Hang on, I need to wipe my hands. Call me Master Chef now. Give me the, close the competition, give me the award. Let's plate that up and take it inside. Right, taste test. It's good. Well, there we go. Rotisserie chook, first attempt. I am pretty impressed with that. Everything's cooked really well. It's tasted amazing. Pat on the back. Won't be the last time that we do that. Very happy with the Compact Campfire and the rotisserie kit there. Very easy to do. A lot of lessons learned along the way as well, which, you know, that's what you do. It's all about giving it a go. And on that note, we're going to get out of here. Going to go get this inside, get some wraps, get some salad and have some dinner. Thanks for joining us today. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Really helps out the channel and the video. Hit that share button, and hopefully we've earned your subscription today. If we have, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because it really helps you keep up to date with all our videos. Now all that's left to do is get out there, chase the weekend. Catch up.